So children, we were discussing about the process of photosynthesis in the initial video also, and in the first video the starting is little bit missing also. So again I am here explaining that photosynthesis is the process of formation of food in the form of starch in the presence of sunlight and in the presence of chlorophyll. The food is prepared in the form of glucose and the oxygen is formed as a byproduct, and this glucose is stored in the plant body in the form of starch. This is glucose, this is chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide and water is raw material, and this process takes place in the green plants in the presence of chlorophyll. This only we were discussing. And also I have told you that this carbon dioxide will actually reduced to form carbohydrate, that is C6H12O6, and water will break down in the presence of sunlight, that is the photolysis of water will be there in the presence of sunlight, and then oxygen is produced. Okay, so this is the summary of photosynthesis. Now we are to prove it experimentally. The first experiment is that chlorophyll is required or is required in the process of photosynthesis. So how can we prove the presence of the chlorophyll is required in the process of photosynthesis? We will take one potted plant this way. Suppose this is the plant is there and it is a potted plant, these are the roots, and suppose this is, I have drawn only two leaves, and these leaves are variegated leaves are there. Variegated means spotted leaves are there. So suppose this part is green and these parts are non-green. Okay, now we will perform the experiment by taking such leaves. This plant will be destarched first, then it will be kept in sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Then these leaves will be plucked from this plant, they will be boiled in the alcohol, then they will tested with the iodine solution, so that the part where the green color is there, actually here the chlorophyll is present. So when it is tested with the iodine solution, so this part will turn to blue black. So it shows that ki chlorophyll is required in the process of photosynthesis, because it will turn to blue black only in the presence of starch, and starch is formed by the process of photosynthesis only. That means where the chlorophyll is there the photosynthesis has performed, but this non-green part will not turn to blue black. That means here the chlorophyll is not there, so photosynthesis has not performed by these parts, and chlorophyll is required, so the process of photosynthesis. Next experiment which I have discussed you in the previous video, in that again the same, we will take a potted plant, and again this plant, suppose this leaf is there and this leaf is being, you know, when this plant is kept in the sunlight, so we will keep it in the sunlight this way. Is suppose this is the bottle in which the KOH is there in a test tube, or it is here. So what is there? This is the cork by which this leaf is inserted into this jar. Now this whole apparatus is kept in the sunlight, and after that 3-4 hours it will be brought back to the room, and then we will pluck the leaf. So what will happen when it is tested with the iodine solution? So what will be the result? That this outer part will turn to blue black, but this inner part will not turn to blue black. Suppose we have divided this as A and this as B, so this B part will turn to blue black and this A will not turn to blue black, because here the carbon dioxide is absorbed by the KOH, so that this part is not receiving carbon dioxide. Hence we can say that carbon dioxide is required in the process of photosynthesis. These two experiments. Now I have discussed you the third experiment also. Third experiment I am explaining in this picture only. Ki suppose we have taken one potted plant and this is the leaf of the plant, and here we have covered this leaf with the black paper first of all, and then after destarching we have kept the plant in the sunlight for the process of photosynthesis, and then we will brought back the plant to the room. We will pluck this leaf, boil it in alcohol, and then we will test it with the iodine solution. Suppose this is A, this is B part, suppose thoda sa broad we can draw, and this is the C part. Okay, so what will be the result? That this A part and C part will turn to blue black because here the light is received, but this B part will not turn to blue black. This has turned to blue black. This will also turn to blue black, but this will not turn to blue black because here light is not received. So we can say that light is necessary in the process of photosynthesis. These three experiments I have discussed you in the previous video, and these are written in your book here and here. So up to here we have completed, and tomorrow we will discuss from here. Thank you.